Hey everyone, welcome back to another Mountain Standard Time episode. I'm Landon Pavan, and today going camping at 2,000 meters with my girlfriend Leia, using our Ski-Doo snowmobiles. We have a lot of stuff to pack on the deck of the truck, as you can see. The plan is to dig down into the snowpack and sleep under the snow. Worst case scenario though, we have a tent and we might have to use that. First time ever doing this, and this is inspired by Outdoor Boys YouTube channel. Recently watched the video where they went camping up in the Arctic and stayed overnight in a dugout snow cave. So we're gonna give it a try and see how it goes. We have everything strapped down on the sleds. Use a whole bunch of blue bungees and the Link accessories stacked onto each other, plus more blue bungees to hold my rubber boots on there, and the old Big Mama shovel for all the shoveling that we're about to do. Truck is parked out of the way, and we are headed up to go find our camp spot. The steeds today are a 2025 Summit Edge Adrenaline, shortened to a 154, and my green one is a 2021 850 RS. Unfortunately, couldn't drive the truck through that last snowbank, but I don't think there'll be too much dirt. A little bit of dirt, snow. Biggest thing is making sure all of our stuff stays on. Not very much snow left on that south facing side. I think we'll have to find a north facing slope for it to be remotely deep enough for us to dig in and make a snow cave. A little bit of a tricky section here. Oh, that's not too bad. Does that look easy? Kind of. You want to try it? Sure. In this situation, don't pin it if you are like getting stuck. And like in certain spots of this, the ski might kind of want to like go down a little bit. Try to gauge where the ski might go and wait the opposite side. But you should be able to go pretty slow, and we'll go on the right hand side. We'll go the way that I went up. Alright. That's alright. We'll pull the front end around while there's two of us, and then I'll double you up, and then I'll just slide back down to this one. Good job on stopping. Want to pull on this ski? One more. There we go. Okay, hop on. And your key is on that one? Yeah. We'll try not to, you know, recreate the Lynx moment.
Oh, please no.
Okay, we're gonna go straight up here. Parking in some nice sunshine.
Thanks for my skidoober.
Skidoober?
It's my skidoober.
A skidoober? I love that, that's hilarious. Okay, I'll go slide down.
Okay.
Bye. Holding my jacket so it doesn't go up my jacket. Ow! That was like an ice chunk in my butt. Oh, those are. Oh, imagine one of them sticks going in there. Ow. There's the sled. The Ski-Doober number 2. That was fun. I almost slid all the way down. Really? Like in sections. Yeah. Well, hopefully the snow's deep enough up here. Yeah? It's kind of thin.
It does look a little thin.
I think we'll go up this gully, and then hopefully there's enough snow on the left-hand side. I'm gonna go check it out, and then I'll come back. Yeah, I might even stick the probe in, so okay. I'll be 5-10 minutes. Ooh. Yeah, how cool would it be to dig into here, snow cave, get the sunrise, get part of the sunset. See what we got right here. Oh, we only got 150. $200 there. Oh no, only 90 there. That's not very much. 160 there. Ooh, that's better. 220. 210. Yeah, this is definitely more north facing. Oh, okay. I think we want to be digging in from down there and then have this over top of us, because that is deep. That's 3 meters. Woo. Okay, yeah, that's the winner. Go down, get Leia. You ready to pin it up there? We got 3 meters of snow to dig into.
Yay! Perfect.
That should be lots.
You double me?
I think you can take that one up.
You think I can do it?
I think it'll be fine. Now we gotta dig like gophers.
Like there?
No, where the probe is.
Oh, okay.
That's where it was. That's where it was too thin. That's where I'd want to go. Yeah.
What's that?
I could probe that.
Because there's a little mound there.
Yeah, that's true. Well, new plan. Leia's up here. And as soon as she got up here, she pointed to where I'm standing right now. And that's where I did have the probe in the snow at 3 meters, just over there. But this side, on the south facing side, a little bit higher up, is looking really good. With that view, and it's a little bit more of a hill to get the snow to go downhill. And we are past 3 meters. So we gotta get busy and start traveling. Well, we have to figure out where we want the entrance. And the probe is 3 meters down right there. So this whole snowbank is pretty deep, but we just want to make sure that we're not going into like a thin spot. So might even stab the probe in a couple more times and just check it out before we start traveling. And hopefully this works. Hopefully the snow is not too soggy and collapsy.
Like down.
Water break. We got 2 saws here, help with cutting into the hard snow. Saw the outdoor boys do that. Cutting like blocks, and I know, it's pretty cool. They made it look really easy. It's really fun.
I feel like once you get the first one out, you'll get the rest of it.
Ooh, that's
Nice.
satisfying. Wow, that is hard snow.
So you think that's gonna fall on us?
But no,
Yeah, that's what I was like.
I don't think so. I think it's turning to ice where I'm standing, or like kneeling. It's 7 p.m. We are partially into the snowbank here. We've done quite a bit of work so far, but we have a lot more to go. The sun is going down, and
You have a hobbit hole.
yeah, I mean, we could sleep in there sitting upright right now, but the wide angle on this camera makes it look a lot bigger than it is, actually.
Perspective.
Yeah. Have you guys ever done a snow cave like this and stayed overnight? Let me know in the comments. You're like a miner. You're like a snow miner right now.
Get back there.
Hard snow. Just don't pry too hard with that shovel.
Yeah.
It is an heavy shovel, but definitely better to like chop and then move the chopped stuff. Halfway done? We got quite a ways in here now. Make it a little bit wider on each side, a little bit deeper, and a little bit taller. And make it so that there's enough room for the air mattress. Then we'll probably end up filling in this entrance a little bit, maybe using a tarp, and it should be well protected from the wind. Super, super cool. Leia stacked up these chunks of snow. The sun is shining through them. Pretty sweet. I like that. Yeah, very igloo-y. Well, it's currently 8:15 p.m. Leia and I are making pretty good progress in here.
You got a good little hut.
Yeah, it's actually not a bad size right now. Just got to make it a little bit wider, a little bit deeper maybe. Well, not even really deeper, a little bit wider. And probably start stacking the snow up in the entrance on the one side. Look at that little hole. Do you ever think you'd dig so much in your life, Leia? For all the times Leia didn't have to dig when she got stuck this year.
I've done my shoveling now.
What did you say earlier?
I said you can never say, I don't shovel.
Yeah, it's a lot of shoveling, as you've seen. Wow, look at that beautiful sunset. Absolutely gorgeous. And that direction too. So now we're gonna clean up the inside here and pile a bunch of blocks of snow right here and hopefully have enough room for the air mattress. I don't know how big it is. It's just a double A. Yeah. And get the air mattress in here, get it all cozy, and then have supper. Sun is just about gone. Getting all of our stuff up here. The wind is starting to pick up. Making progress. Woo! And our sun is pretty much gone now. You a little golem?
A little hobbit in there.
Little hobbit?
What?
It's looking pretty good in here. Kind of dark already. Gotta smooth out the bottom and then bring some of our stuff in here. Well, I'll probably blow up the air mattress first actually. Make sure that that fits. And probably gonna have to get the headlamps out here pretty soon too. Reinforce our entrance a little bit more here. Snow is super sticky right now. Oh no, I said that in a big chunky. Could you pass that chunk back up here? Okay. Oh no, here, I'll hold them when I do that. This is like perfect snow. No. Hopefully the battery in this pump is charged. Wow, it is dark in here. Anything, just set up camp now?
Here, let me cut this piece off.
Look at how much fun you're having. Whole thing just collapsed. Nice little air mattress. Wow. I sure like going winter camping with a snowmobile. Air mattress, air pump, all sorts of goodies that we haven't even touched yet. We want to position this as close to the wall as we can. And then basically I think we should get our tumble bags in here.
Can you do a fire?
Yeah, we can try to do a fire.
So we have the chicken.
Just what I needed.
That's your
Just
flashlight.
what I needed.
It's dark outside now.
Yeah.
The land is slowly getting cold.
Yeah, I think I have to like take off all my wet stuff.
Make sure you get all your wet stuff off. Like that wet shirt.
Yeah.
Take it off. Putting some dry clothes on. Got the little entranceway here, figure it out, kind of. Out here it's getting pretty dark. Yeah, last bit of sunlight. We're committed. Here for the night in our little humble cave. Wow, that looks pretty cool actually. Doing a little bit of cleanup out here. Get rid of some of this snow in here. Make our entranceway a little bit better. We got a nice little step right here. Right foot first, head goes into this gap. And then we are in here. We are under like several meters of snow right now, which is pretty crazy.
Segue then?
There was no cracking or wumping or anything as we were digging. Like the snowpack didn't settle at all, which makes sense because it is the springtime. So generally the snowpack is pretty consolidated. Check out that entrance. Hopefully we don't freeze.
Nice and cozy.
Because we don't have a fire in here and we don't have enough fuel for the little burner thing that I have to burn it all night. So yeah.
Body heat.
We shall see. Going on a mission. Go get some firewood. Spot a tree over here with a bunch of dead branches on it. Nice and dry. Making sure not to cut off any live branches. They don't burn good anyways. Plus, why harm a good tree? First aid kit that I carry in my backpack all the time. Tylenol, aspirin, additional first aid kit, some rubber gloves. Carry a tourniquet in my chest pocket all the time as well. And then we have some tissue paper in here and a lighter. And I generally don't carry a actual fire starter. We do have fire starters, but we'll see if this wood is dry enough and I'm good enough at placing the fire starter that I always carry around with me while I'm actually sledding. They've been in the backpack for a while. They're super duper crumpled, so I'm not sure how well that's gonna work, but we'll give it a try. Kind of a cool do-it-yourself fire starter that you can make with wood shavings, egg carton, and wax. And then it makes it so that it's slow burning as long as it stays going. I think I'll get it going and then pile sticks on. Patience. Never want to completely smother fire starters. You kind of want the fire starter to be able to burn and get everything else starting to burn while still being able to breathe. Feel warmer yet?
Mm-hmm.
Been scientifically proven that just by seeing a fire.
My brain's like, I'm hot.
Yep.
That's a really good little fire, babe.
Like that? I mean, got lucky with the dry wood, but it's kind of cool that we didn't use the actual fire starter that we brought specifically for this. We will have a limited life, I think, with this fire, because once the bottom boughs start burning and it starts sinking down into the snow. Oh my goodness, my little man. Oh, is the chicken in this big?
Yeah.
You got good old chicken drumsticks. Should I just do like that? Prop it up?
Yeah.
We'll just keep an eye on that.
Is there a stick I could put a marshmallow on?
Oh yeah, I can make this.
Oh,
You don't need a very long stick, do you? Boom. Wow.
it's
Ah.
perfect.
Very cool, eh? I don't think I needed to make seats. I should almost get rid of that snow so that I have a little more space here. Leia's sitting on the skidoo seat. Learned that from the last overnighter a couple of years ago. That one was not planned though. Somebody told us after, oh, did you take your seats off and sit on them? And we didn't. And we'll always remember that that is a option. It's not an option for the race sled, but we're able to take the one seat off of the Summit Edge Adrenaline there. Oh no! Okay, my muscles are telling me that's not shoveling. Drumstick should be done. Get that going a little bit better. Hopefully it stops smoking so much. Okay. Oh, we double tinfoiled it.
Yeah, tripled.
Because we knew we'd probably be shoving it in the fire.
Oh, but definitely. Look at them steaming.
Wow. Dig in. They're perfect eating temperature.
Uh-oh.
I'd say it's 0 right now, or really close to 0. Probably send an update. Gonna send a satellite message on the iPhone. Also have a Zoleo in my backpack, but for the ease of use, the iPhone is quite easy. Brought lots of extra clothes. Brought some puffies. Put something on before I get a chill like Leia did. Whew. I have my really good down puffy in my backpack too. If I can avoid pulling that out of its little spot, I will. Okay. A little perimeter check here. Wow. That looks so cool. So we're hiding in here now. We're getting smoked out by the fire. We're both crying from all the smoke going in our eyes.
There's a little much.
It's very smoky. The main embers are falling down into the snow, and then that's creating a lot of smoke. So we're gonna leave that, and we're gonna get changed, put some even drier stuff on, and see about going to sleep. And because we brought a tent up, had some tent pegs, put some tent pegs at the top of the tarp there, hold it into the snow, shovels holding the one side tight against the snow, and then should be able to just go through here and into our little snow cave. You just gotta be very, very gentle. Oh, it's headbutted the roof. We didn't make the roof high enough. There we go. Tarp over the entrance. Everything you got on is dry? Yeah. Okay. What's your sleeping bag rated for?
I don't know.
Mine's rated for +6. So, hopefully it's close to +6 in here. Breath showing, so it's definitely not +6. I think it's 0. I mean, we're completely surrounded with snow too, so.
I'd say it's a good 0.
Shake the old boots off. Some nice dry socks on. Did a couple of Zoleo check-ins. Somehow the Zoleo works under several meters of snow, which is incredible. Oh, nice socks. Are we gonna try to go into my one sleeping bag?
Nice.
You wanna go in first?
No. I don't think so.
Well, we didn't think this one through, did we?
We just slept like that, but then put this one over.
Sure. I feel like I'm gonna cramp tonight. This might be a long night if I cramp.
You're already cramping. Drink your coconut water. Drink your coconut water. Go chug it.
Leia was smart, brought coconut water. Coconut water is really good to prevent cramps. We have a problem. We're gonna sleep till like noon if we don't have the light. It's gonna be dark in here. We have the tarp completely over the door.
I'll probably wake up.
Yeah?
I don't think we're gonna sleep till noon. I will probably wake up and be like, I'm in a cave. What have I done?
A cave at 2,000 meters,
Yup.
which is pretty sweet.
I think it was a pretty good call.
That's why.
No, you need a drink and Mr. Clamps. I'm not gonna have you season freaking cuddle.
That is pretty dark. Yeah, that's on the highest setting. Mountain Lab light works good. Well, all cuddled in here with Leia. Hopefully, we stay warm enough all night, and I guess we shall see.
Hello.
Oh, well, it's 6:17 a.m. Kind of chilly. Gotta get up.
Oh, no, on the ground.
Ah,
It's deflated.
Leia's still wrapped up like a little cocoon. Let's go check out outside. Yeah, we made the night. Nice and warm out here now. Super, super bright. Can hardly see anything.
A little melty.
Yeah, a little melting. Worked pretty slick though. Next time around, I think we will make sure we have an air mattress that's not going to deflate and warmer sleeping bags. So if you plan on doing this, keep those two things in mind for sure. And it would have been nice to have enough fuel for the burner to have the burner going in there for a while last night if we wanted to make some tea or something. We wanted to save the burner for this morning's coffee, which we're about to do right now. Got our little pot, butane fuel, a little burner, screws on the top. Tight, tighter, tighter, tighter. Yeah.
What the hell?
Saw this on the Outdoors Boys channel there. Wrapped some tin foil around to help with keeping the heat up to the pot, as long as it doesn't blow up our little fuel tank.
Oh, he's just by the tree. Oh, he's one there next to me. Oh, wait in the next one. Oh, look at him go. I'm calling him. He's coming.
He likes that tree. Little sled oven mitts here. Using an appropriate mug too.
Mm-hmm. Going strong.
Sure.
Nice stir.
Burn your mouth knife.
Yeah, I was like, how authentic was that?
Okay, I got my 3-meter long probe here. Gonna take it half apart and then go into our snow cave here and see how deep it is going straight up. So when Leia sees this orange, we'll see how deep it is. Does that look like a good spot to go up?
Yeah, I'd say so.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to go straight up. Oh, this is hard. No orange yet?
No orange yet.
Oh, no.
No.
That's at 250 centimeters.
Yeah, there's no orange showing.
2.5 meters.
Oh! There you go.
How much is showing?
Just the orange, like, tip part?
So
Like,
stop me when it's just the silver part.
it's up a bit. There's a little bit of orange showing through, but I mainly see the tip. Yeah.
Okay, so right there?
Yeah.
265 centimeters.
265 centimeters.
Yeah. So that is 30, 60, 90, 120, 150, 180, 210, 240. That's almost 9 feet of snow above us right here at the back of our cave. Obviously, it gets a little bit thinner near the entrance, but yeah, there's 9 feet of snow above us right here.
We did some deep digging.
That is crazy. Yeah, I think that could support some shenanigans
Yeah?
in a little bit.
Yeah? A little hop over or something?
This is really fun.
Just pulling it out of the ceiling.
Woo! Have a little path built now. Knocked out this snow wall here too. Pack up all of our stuff. Gotta fold up the crunchy air mattress.
The non-winter air mattress.
Yeah, I wonder if they make winter air mattresses. Gonna have to look that up. I just have the single person air emergency one. Got everything packed up. Leave it the way you found it. No garbage or nothing. Nothing left here. Well, that was a fun night. Now let's see if we can do something right there.
No, I don't think so. Looks good in there still.
Wow, didn't even budge. What else can I do there? Yeah, I'll try to do another hop over. What do you think? Drop right there?
I think that would be a good one, actually.
I just gotta get up there. Yeah, that should be good. Land right there.
Oh. Yeah, jeez.
Do that drop one more time because it was fun.
Sick.
Rock up there. You're starting to lose the side L and it's kind of worrying me. Woo. But was gentle with it. Got it to get up on the track and it was good.
Yeah, that was really
My
sick.
little adrenaline rush for the day. I'm gonna do a hop over right there. I didn't want to run you over.
That was a nice bunny hop.
Abandoned mission when it's leg endangerment.
Yes.
That was fun. Summit Edge Adrenaline, naturally aspirated 850. Skidoo, of course, it works really good. This is the one that I shortened to a 154, originally a 165. option, but. Now we gotta get all this stuff back on the sleds and start moseying our way down. Well, that's it for the snow cave adventure. Now we're headed back down to the trucks. We have all of our stuff either link accessoried on or blue bungeed on. See you later, snow cave. Nice work! Really good work! And we're home free now on my RS. Snow and dirt combo. We made it!
We made it!
We didn't die? Nope. Load the sleds up. Usually the loading goes a lot smoother, but the truck is at a little bit of an angle here, so when you go up the ramp, it wants the sled to tip. So if you're not comfortable with loading, definitely make sure your truck is 100% level. And my ramp. Custom flat deck setup here. It tucks. Right in there. Overall, an awesome adventure with these snowmobiles, using them for alpine sled camping instead of just the extreme backcountry riding like we normally do. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. Let me know in the comments if you have any advice or if you do anything differently. And stay tuned for next Thursday's video at 1:16 Mountain Standard Time. Woo!